Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I wanted to create another installment for my diamond painting diaries. In this video, you will see me complete at least 2 of these smaller projects. I know I'm going to start with this this Hello Kitty and Friends gem art kit. I'm not sure what other kit will appear in this video. It could be my Snoopies. I have a Snoopy from Five Below and I have Snoopy stickers. I'm planning to use my little gem container box from Hobby Lobby to store my extra gems. I will be making a video of me doing something with all these extra gems. I need to organize them. I think I'm going to throw them all in containers. I'm going to throw the sparkly ones in one container and the plain non-sparkly ones in another container. I'm just going to mix them all, I think, because they're tiny enough to make really good shakers out of too. So I think I'm going to start with this Hello Kitty, and I will most likely do this one, I think, because it looks really fun and cute and quick. So we'll just see. I may not even get to Snoopy for this video. I am going to try to do these after work this week. Whenever I'm recording this, I don't know when it'll post, but I'm going to try to do these small ones after work. This Hello Kitty one is a partial from Walgreens. It was only like $5. As you can see, the background has no gems. It's just a partial. It comes with a frame, and all of these come with the full kit. Okay, so I'm definitely going to start with Hello Kitty, Kuromi, and Pompomeran, and we'll see what else I come up with. Maybe I'll do them all. I don't know. These are small enough to do some creative journaling with, so I'm going to stick these in a journal when I'm done, and then I'll probably make a future video of trying to create a journal spread with these small diamond painting kits. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I finished the Hello Kitty. I'll show you that in a minute, but I'm working on the bunny. This is like day 2, and I wanted to show you that this wax pencil actually does pick up these gems pretty good, and I like it a lot. So I'm actually working on this bunny before work gets started, and I'll do most of it and probably try to finish it by lunch. I don't have on my diamonds, even though I'm diamond painting, but it's different when you're trying to do this during a regular work day, when your time is not your own. I hate working a regular job, y'all. I absolutely hate it. But you see how easy that is? My hands are ashy too, so excuse that. It's early in the morning. Look at that. I usually have my Cricut light above me when I'm doing this, and I don't have the camera propped up, but I just wanted to show you how easy this wax pencil is picking up these gems, and it's gonna make me want to try my my Hobby Lobby one really soon now, because my Hobby Lobby one, they came in a pack of 2, and I was curious about them, but I hadn't whipped them out because I've been using all my diamond painting pens. But this actually works really well. You don't have to dip anything back in the wax. It's kind of the same idea of that electric diamond painting pen that I plan to try. I did purchase one from Amazon. I don't like the Art Dot one because I don't like how it looks, but I heard Art Dot is really good. I just don't like how it looks. Those pens are very ugly to me. I don't like bunnies and I don't like cats, and I don't understand why Art Dot didn't just make a plain one for people like me that don't like those type of designs. So I didn't buy the Art Dot, but I did buy another electrical diamond painting pen that I'm going to try and film at some point. But this wax pencil is definitely a yes. I feel like this kit was very creative to include this, something different than a regular kit would include. So, and it prevented them from having to include wax. So I'm going to finish the eyes, and then I'm going to finish everything else. I'm going to try to do this whole thing with the wax pencil. I think this is a little different because you can't really move the gems around as easy as you could with like a diamond painting pen if you misplace them. Like I used this diamond painting pen from Five Below for my Hello Kitty painting, and it's I like this one a lot for the grip, and it feels good when diamond painting. It's comfortable to my grip, so I use that one for my last Hello Kitty diamond painting. But like with this, when the gems scoot around, you kind of gotta, I mean, I guess you can move it around with the pencil tip, but it's not as easy as moving it around with a stylus. So I said I'm gonna try to complete this whole thing with this wax pencil, but now I'm not sure that those are moving around. But those are the partial eyes. So I'll come back when this one is done. If I feel like I'm gonna need this letter again, like I forgot something, I'll just go ahead and put it with my leftover drills. I'll cut off the little letter or number, and I'll just kind of tuck it in there just in case I forget what it is, if there's similar colors. So that's what I do. But I'm going to be using, I'm going to be combining all of these leftover drills into one singular pot because I'll end up using them for shakers. Okay guys, I put my faux diamonds on to show you the finished results. These are the, this is the Hello Kitty diamond painting that I did before and after work so far this week. And I really liked this canvas. This was from Walgreens. I got it for like $5 and some change, basically $6, I believe, when it was on a 30% off sale. And the canvas was very sticky. The glue did not move around. Everything like stuck immediately. And they were kind of hard to move around if you didn't stick them down perfectly, but it was a real joy painting these Hello Kitty Sanrio characters. And I have my little Hello Kitty hair clips right now. I'm planning to journal with this particular diamond painting since it's small. I did seal it, so you do see some glue around here, but we'll take care of that when I journal. I may end up cutting around them and like popping them up in the journal some type of a way. So I'll do a separate video when I'm actually ready to journal with this. And then I did complete the bunny, and I'll be journaling with this one as well. I got this one for only, I think, $4 at Home Goods. And I wanted to give my final thoughts on this wax pencil. I really enjoy using this. I felt like I moved faster when I was using the wax pencil because I wasn't trying to focus on dipping anything in wax. But I will say that I still used my diamond painting pen from Five Below to kind of move the drill back into place. This was not as easy to use. This wax pencil was not as easy to use to move drills back into place that were not placed perfectly the first time. So this was a very sticky canvas as well. Things stuck like immediately, and I appreciated that. I did seal this, so we do see some glue, some residue from the canvas. I use this, I've been using this diamond painting glue from Hobby Lobby to seal my little canvases. This painting glue is $3.99. I have a few of these. I think that's a great price for it. So I will be journaling with this one. I have another Hello Kitty hair clip here holding it until I'm ready to journal. And then I'm also saving the packaging for my logbook. The Hello Kitty canvas came with a frame, but I'm going to put this away. I'm not going to put that canvas in a frame. But I am saving my packaging and the picture that came with the Hello Kitty kit for my logbook that I will be creating whenever I'm ready. So I have the date. I'm not really too focused on how long it took me. That's information I don't really care about because I know if it's a small one, it took me a day or a day and a half because I'm splitting it up between before and after work. If you don't have to work a regular job, it's easier to just push through things, but I have to split things up, even the smaller ones, because of my schedule, of course. So I am saving this to put in my logbook in the future, and I have a container going with like all my logbook items that I plan to create. I really enjoyed this. I'm going to wrap this video up here. I do plan to paint Snoopy next, I think. So I'm going to include Snoopy in just his own video. I don't know how long these are going to take me. I'm trying to do these all during like a regular work week and not a weekend. So I'm having to split things up. I did put my extra drills in this container. I love these containers from Hobby Lobby. These are great kit up containers too for kits that have small amounts of drills, but I've just been putting my leftover drills here for now until I'm ready to combine them all into one container, which I plan to do. I haven't been replacing drills in diamond paintings like some creators do, where they switch out some drills if they want like a sparkly drill or a special drill in their diamond paintings. I've just been using the diamond paintings, the drills that come with the kits, and I haven't been replacing or exchanging out any drills. So I will probably combine all of my sparkly drills in one container and all of my regular drills in another container and use them as like shaker mixes in my pins with the tubes in the future. So, but I love these containers from Hobby Lobby. I think they're like $4.99 or $5.99. I have a bunch of these. These are some of my favorite kitting up containers, but I don't really use them for kitting up. I use them for leftover drills for now, but they would be perfect for kitting up. I also use my brayer for these diamond paintings. If you're not familiar with diamond painting, if you're a newbie like me, I always use my brayer to flatten my canvas out before I seal it with the diamond painting glue. I noticed I really like how the brayer seems to just pull everything together and make sure it's nice and tight. And so I did do that. And both of these kits came with everything you needed. The bunny kit didn't come with wax because you didn't need wax because of that wax pin, but they did come with boats. And I had these are my favorite trays, these flatter trays. I like these trays the best to pour my drills in. So I'll usually pour my drills into this tray and then put my wax in this regular boat to use. And then I also love using this as a funnel, like for the leftover drills. I'll pour all the leftover drills in here and just pour them into this container. So that's just a little bit of my process and how I do things. I did also use this puzzle. This came with my puzzle glue, but my puzzle glue will also seal diamond paintings. I didn't use that this time, but I also use this to help spread my glue, the silicone paintbrush. You don't need to because you don't have to have this because this top is a sponge and you can just dab the glue and spread it around with the sponge. But if you want to try something like this out, these are nice too. So anyway, that wraps up this Diamond Painting Diaries Paint With Me, and I'll probably continue with Snoopy next, so stay tuned for that to see how those turn out. And, you know, you should consider journaling with your diamond paintings because, like, small ones like these fit perfectly into a creative journal. So, and these are some heavier weight pages. This journal is by Happy Planner, this dot grid, and I absolutely love it. I've done only one page of journaling in here so far. I've been journaling in a bunch of different journals. This was the first spread that I did in this journal. So anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some flowers in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.